NCNA stock analysis and NCNA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's actually done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's making me money and what is not. So ultimately speaking, with NuCana, I mean, this is so good. Not in a way where, you know, I'm immediately buying, but what I was expecting today was the price, not even just today, to just give me like a shift. And I can tell you with certainty that it's actually looking quite neat. Meaning that all that's left for me is a sort of a small, like a 1-minute confirmation in order for me to get involved here. And I guess because now it's like 3:16. Could it happen? Sure thing it could, but I don't think it's going to be enough time before the market closes. So next day, that's exactly what I'm looking to do. And guess what, mate? Like, if rules are not met, then why the heck would I be looking to force stuff here? You can see even in the Discord, I have 20 results of previous receipts with NCNA. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.